Prakriti, you told the Prakriti, Ishvara, Kala.
Ishwar, Jeev,
Well,
Prakriti, Kal and Karma.
Yes. And you told us history about.
Ishwar means Bhagavan.
Yeah.
Ishwar who is the supreme controller. He is called Ishwar. Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, in his Grantha Siddhanta Darpan, explained 5 things. Ishwar, Bhagavan, who is the supreme controller. Ishwar. Ishwar, Jeev, Jeev are the living entities. And Prakriti, Prakriti means nature. Ishwar, Jeev, Prakriti, Kal, Kal means time. Or Karma, our action, fruit of action. So this is the 5 tattvas. These 5 tattvas, that is the all the our philosophies are explained this way. Ishwar, Jeev, Prakriti, Kal and Karma. Ishwar Bhagavan, he is the supreme controller. He controls everything. Only his desires, everything is going on. তুমি সর্বেশ্বর ব্রজেন্দ্র নন্দন, তোমার ইচ্ছায় জীবের জীবন মরণ। তব ইচ্ছা মত বিষ্ণু, এ তব ইচ্ছা মত ব্রহ্মা করেন সৃজন, তব ইচ্ছা মত বিষ্ণু করেন পালন, তব ইচ্ছা মত শিব করেন ধ্বংস। তব ইচ্ছা মত মায়া সৃজে কারাগার, তব ইচ্ছা মত জীবের জন্ম মরণ। Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this Bengali song explained, Hey Varinandana Samsundar, you are the supreme personality of Godhead. You are Param Ishwar, Parameshwar. And Ishwar, then Parameshwar. And who is Parameshwar? Krishna, Sang Bhagavan, who is called the supreme controller. And who is the supreme controller? Varinandana Samsundar. According his desires, then Brahmaji, he creates the material world. According to desires, Vishnu, he nourishment all the living entities. Or according to the desires of Krishna, Shivji, he destroys everything. Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Sadhana Sakti Reka. Or according to the desires of Maya, Maya Devi, she creates the what is called? Karagar. Karagar means prison, jail. So that means Bharati is saying in this way, Krishna is the supreme personality of God. So he is called Swayam Ishwar. Ishwar Paramam Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. Ishwar, he is called Ishwar. Jeev, Jeev means living entities manifested from Krishna's marginal potency, Tarsa Shakti or Jiva Shakti. This is the thing. Jiva Shakti is coming. Or Ishwar, Jeev, Prakriti. Prakriti means nature. And this nature is also controlled by Ishwar. And then Kal, Ishwar, Jeev, Prakriti. Kal means time. What is the time? Sun rises and sun sets. Then Kal, time is going on this way. Understand? We are saying daytime and night time. Time count. This is coming this way. Our karma means the activities of the living entities, action, karma. And all our philosophies explain this is karma. Karma is very powerful. Karma na gahana gati. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna, karma is very deep. Eh? Understand these things. What is the karma? What is the karma our coming? When we are in the line of marginal line, Tarastasana, that time we have no karma. But when jivas coming to enjoy sense gratification mood and reverse his face from Krishna to Maya, then he's enjoying sense gratification mood coming. And Krishna भूली सही जीव अनादि बहिर्मुख अतएव माया तरे दय संसार दे दुख. And Maya she does not disturb to us. We disturb to Maya. So Maya now giving punishment to us. This is the thing. Understand? And we also we want to enjoy the Maya. Then Maya grab to us. Maya two functions. What is it called? First, that is called Avaranatmika Vritti. Avaran means cover our body. And Avaranatmika Vritti. Tendency to cover and our soul. Then Viksha Atmika Vritti. Viksha means to throw. And he throws in this material world. And this is the Maya. And Chitkan Jeev Krishna Chitkan ek what is it called? Chitkan Jeev Nitya Krishna Karuna Adar. And our spontaneous nature to serve to Krishna, because we are the part and parcel of Lord. And all the part and parcel, their duty to serve the whole is the nature. All the subjects, they have to serve the king. Understand? What is the duties of the subjects? What is the duty of the subjects?
Serving the king.
To serve the king. Here king is Krishna. Just giving the example. King is Krishna. All we are all his subjects. So we have to serve to Krishna. But we did not serve to Krishna. And then we want to enjoy Maya. Illusory potency of Lord, Maya. And this is it. Then Maya Devi is thinking, oh, you want to enjoy with me? Okay, I will give heavy punishment to you. Then Maya Devi, she also covered our body. She gives first gross body, subtle body, and she gives many kinds of false egos, and packed with us very nicely with the three ropes. What are the three ropes? Sattva, Rajan, Tamaguna, and packing very nicely. This is the duty of Maya. First Maya duties, that is called the Avaran Atmika Vritti. Avaran Atmika. Then Viksha Atmika Vritti thrown in this material world. She throw in this material world. Now we are coming.
Maharaj, when the Jiva come to this world, the first body is Brahman. Body,
There is no necessary.
no
When the jivas enjoy with Maya, that time according to tendency, then Maya Devi she gave that kinds of body to us. Everybody will become Brahma. There is no necessary.
but
When jivas in the marginal potency, and that time jivas living entities want to enjoy with Maya. And that time, what kinds of mood coming? And that kinds of body, Maya she gave us.
Yeah.
And human body, or snake, cats, dogs, anybody she gave to us this. Eh?
The first mood inside.
No. You understand this thing?
Huh?
Jivaji is here, marginalist. When Jiva wanted to enjoy with Maya, then your question is, Maya she gave which body to us? First body, what body is coming?
Yeah.
Eh? Which body? According to your desire, that Maya Devi she gave us different body. Not everybody become the snake, different body the cats, dogs, not this. Eh? Eh? This is the thing. She gave us this different kinds of body also to us. Eh? Not everybody give the Brahma body. No need. Not everybody give the male body, female body, different body gives us. Gives us. Eh? Then he throws in this material. Bhiksha, that is called Bhikshep Atmika Vritti. Eh? Understand? It's not this Maya, one is called Jiva Maya. Jiva Maya means Maya is also to, this kinds of activities to elucidate the Jivas only. That's called Jiva Maya.
Another name of Maya is Jiva Maya.
Jiva Maya.
Another name.
That potency, Maya Devi see only elucidate the living entities. That's called Jiva Maya. Yeah? The Jiva Maya. Yeah. Or Maya, another is also, she creates this material world. Understand this?
Maya is who gives Swabhava also. Swabhava. Nature of the Jiva.
Nature coming,
Swabhava.
that now this nature is coming from the Maya's gunas, Sattva-Rajas-Tama gunas.
And by karma. This karma.
Karma is coming bit later.
Later.
Karma, and actually karma's beach seed in when Jiva to see the Maya to, and then his, what is called, to, and enjoying gratification coming, that sense gratification coming. Eh? Understand? This is the thing. Flowers is here. Look the flowers, but don't touch. Written in there. Don't touch the flowers. If you go to the garden and government garden, and written there, don't touch the flowers, but don't pick up the flowers. You can see, and you can sit in front of the garden and watch the flowers. No, eh? But written is where? What written? Don't touch the flowers, but don't pick up the flowers, because these flowers belongs to government. Eh? Written in there. Don't touch the flowers. So when Jivas and to watch that the Maya and watch the Maya, this is okay. But when he's after watching, what is coming? Eh? Enjoying mood coming. I want to enjoy. Eh? When you are enjoy mood coming, then Maya she grabbed. But enjoying mood is what? Different enjoying mood. Eh? What do you want? If you see the one flower, what your mood coming? Enjoy mood coming. Different kinds. What again? I take this, take the smell, kiss, embrace the flowers. Different also. Or maybe I will take the flowers, offer to Krishna. This is true. When you see any very nice, beautiful flower, then what's your tendency coming? What you are thinking? What are you thinking? Different kinds of things will come. You are thinking, maybe I will take this flower, offer to Guru and Krishna. This is the best. And say this thing. Maybe thinking, I will take these flowers and take the smell, very sweet smell. I will smell, take the smell of the flowers. I will kiss the flowers. Eh? Very nice flower. Ah. Eh? Different kinds of enjoying mood coming. In the same way, when living entities in that Prasad Shakti marginal potency of Lord, that time he looks the Maya. Eh? Then after looking the Maya, then what is coming? Enjoying mood coming. Eh? When enjoying mood coming, then Mayasi grabs. When looking, not problem. Eh? But that time is what? Very tiny time. You cannot explain. That is a divided the car. A time. Very time. Look and simultaneously you're enjoying mood coming. Then Mayasi grab. So this thing. Nikodastha Maya Tare Japtiya Dhare. Here this saying, Bhagavancha Kare Nikattata Maya Tare Japtiya Dhare. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this Bengali song this way. When he was looking to the Maya, then his enjoying mood coming. Enjoying mood coming that time. Then Maya Devi says, tricky. Say, oh, you want to enjoy with me? Okay, I will give heavy punishment. She is very tricky. She speaks very nice sweet words and also drag to you and taking all your everything sucking blood. Then bitterly beating to you. This is the thing. This is the nature of the Maya. Maya, how she will giving punishment to us, we may not understand now. It's very powerful. So far this regard, she is called as like a Pisachini. Pisachini paile jana mati channa hoy, Maya grasta jibi, Sibhav, Udoy. Chaitanya. If the ghost possesses in the someone, then he completely forgets his own identity. He's giving the identity of ghost. Ghost giving his own identity, he forgets everything. Now our position this way. Now all we are completely elucidated by my ghost. If I ask you, hey, what is your name? That you are giving this body's name. You are giving your body's name. You forget of your name of your soul, Atmanam. You have everything. You don't know your name of soul. What is the name of soul? You don't know. Now giving his whose name? Body's name. You don't know your soul's name. All you are giving your soul's name. So it is as like ghost. If you see, if the ghost possesses someone, and that time you ask, who are you? And that person is not giving his own name. He's saying, that ghost giving, oh, I was this one. Understand? I was, he's saying, oh, that my name is that. And his previous birth name, he will give name. And I am living in these trees. And he is also coming here. So I grab to him, I am staying here. And that time he speaks many things. Have you seen someone possesses in the ghost? Have you not seen?
Yes.
Where? Who said to whom?
Movie, I saw in the movie.
Who said only the movie?
Movies, yeah.
Eh?
Movies.
You did not see anyone in your life?
I am course. I was living in the hills by one of these years.
No, someone thinks. I saw in my village one person, and he also are completely illustrated by the ghost. Then that type of people, and it's bad. He was very skinny, but 5 or 6% cannot hold him. He's very strong. And some people bite him, and completely what? Crazy. And when he was a normal person, that he cannot walk. But when ghost person's body, I saw strong, 5 or 6% cannot hold him. You have to throw this way. Who is doing this? Inside his ghost. Then people are asked, hey, who are you? What is he doing? He told, oh, and I am ghost. He is giving his own identification. Speaking with this person, mouth is this person, but that the ghost person he is speaking. I am living in this way, and this he giving his own ghost identification. I saw that skilled person. He also broke the one banyan tree, very strong banyan tree. Just he took and this and boom. When he was normal, cannot walk, cannot also break. The break one small stick also. But I saw my own eyes. On big banyan trees branches, he took this thing and boom. Boom. Actually, who is doing this? Inside his ghost. So Chaitanya Krishna Das Kaviraj explains it. পিশাচিনী পাইলে যেন মতিচ্ছন্ন হয় মায়াগ্রস্ত জীবের সেভাব উদয়. The Jiva is like in this. Now Jiva is completely elucidated by Maya. And he forgets his own identification. He forgets his own name, own activities. Now coming in this body, all we are giving all this bodily identification. I am man, I am an woman. I am Brazilian, I am Indian, British, American. Actually, what is your real identification? We are all the eternal servant of Lord Krishna, Krishna Das. All we are the actual eternally servant of Lord Krishna. Jiver Sarup hoy Krishna Nitya Das. But now we forget. Chitkon Jiv Krishna Chinmoy Bhaskar. Nitya Krishna Koreno Adar. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. Our spontaneous nature serve to Krishna. We are very minute. Our nature to serve to Krishna. But we forget to Krishna. Now I am coming in this material world. We forget our own identification. Our name. And 11 moods, 5 stages we have. Nam, Roop, Gun, Lila. Activity, everything is there. That is called Ekadas Bhav, 11 moods we have. Panchodasa, 5 stages. Sravan Dasa, Smaran Dasa, Apun Dasa, Vapun Dasa, Prem, Sampatti Dasa. You read my books. What is that? Jewels of the heart. Everything is there. Or Jaiva Dharma. Everything is there. Now coming in this material world and completely elucidated by the Maya, Pishachini. ভ্রমিতে করে যদি কোনো সাধু বৈদ্য পায় তাহার মন্ত্রে পিশাচি পালায়. Wandering in the cycle of birth and death, then if you get the sadhu and listen his advice, then just both that means ghost will run away. Sadhu is as like a Vaidya. Vaidya understand? Vaidya means doctor. Sadhu is as like doctor. Sadhu Guru as like doctor. Doctor here, what is doing? What is the responsibility of doctor? Give the medicine to you. You take or not, you eat or drink the medicine, this is yours. But doctor will give the medicine. Gurudev gives a medicine or not? What medicine Gurudev gave? Harinam. Harinam Mahamantra, Ausadi. Mahaprabhu told. এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবার লাগে Harinam Mahamantra love to me, Magi. Magi means what? You pray. Hey sadhu, please give me this medicine. Eh? When you will pray, when you ask the medicine from the doctor, when you feeling so much pain, then you go to the doctor. Is it true? Otherwise you not go to the doctor. If you ask the people, come sadhu, take medicine, Harinam. Everyone, no, I am happy. I am okay. Actually, all the living entities, they are suffering the three folds of Maya. But they are thinking they are happy. All the living entities, and especially we discuss about human being, they are suffering three folds of Maya. Take medicine. What is the medicine?
Harinam.
Harinam. But they don't want to take Harinam. They don't want to take the medicine. Why? Because they don't want to deliver from this material world. Bhavapo vargo brahmato jada bhavit janasya taharchuta sat samagam. Srimad Bhagavatam gives it. Wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death, when jivas, time will come to deliver from this material world, then they will take shelter, lotus feet of sadhu and guru and chant holy names. Otherwise it will not come. Because they are not, time is coming to deliver from this material world. They are also wandering same cycle of birth and death.
Sukriti will not come.
If you go to the jail, then certain time you have to stay in the jail. 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. In the same way, all we are in the jail. But when what time will come to deliver from this material world, then Yogamaya will arrange how will get the association of sadhu. So saying, Bhavapo vargo brahmanto jada bhavit janasatah archuta satsamagam. Hey Achyuta, hey Krishna, when the jivas, time will come to deliver from this material world, then he will get the association of sadhu sangha. কোনো ভাগ্যে কোনো জীবের যদি সংসার ক্ষয়নমুখ হয় তবে সেই জীব সাধু সঙ্গ করে। ক্ষয়নমুখ means diminishing his karma and wandering the cycle of repeated birth and death. Then he will get the association of sadhu. Everyone will not get the association of sadhu. কোনো ভাগ্যে means great fortune, one who are very great fortune, mahan bhagyavan, they will get association of sadhu. So কোনো ভাগ্যে কোনো জীবের যদি সংসার ক্ষয়নমুখ হয়, সংসার enjoying the sense gratification diminishing, that time he will get association of sadhu. Otherwise not. So saying bhava apavarga. Bhava means one day every time. Bhava means you are to be, take birth and death again and again. Apavarga, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. They are wandering in this way. Sometimes good karma, sometimes they are committing sinful activities, bad karma. In this way, good and bad karma, they are going upper planets and lower planets, and swing up and down this way. Understand this? So bhavapo vargo brahmato jada bhavet janasatah archuta satsamagam. Then when this karma will be diminishing, to enjoy sense gratification, then will get the association of sadhu sangha. And once life you get the association of sadhu, that means very soon will be delivered from this material world. This is the symptom. Sadhu Sangha. What is it?
Everybody has the same time that has to stay in the jail. Everybody, does this have anything to do with Sukriti or no? Everybody, every soul has to stay for a certain amount of time in the material world.
Every time? What is it?
Because you were saying that when our time, like samsara diminishing, is coming down, or karma, so we'll get the sadhu sangha. But then you say when we have to stay 5, 10 years, 15 years, everybody has to stay a certain amount of time in the jail. My question is, if all jivas have to stay same time in the jail of Maya, and also if this time has anything to do with the sukriti they accumulate or not.
Jivas is now in the state, in the jail. But all jivas are different, they are the punishment. But those who are jivas about to release from the jail, that time Jogmasu arrange how to get the association of sadhu. Do you understand? Many criminals, they are staying in the jail, one jail. Just to imagine, many criminals are staying in the one jail. But that different criminals also different. Their certain time coming, they have to go out the jail. Understand? Because different criminals, named criminals, but different criminals also. Criminals, some criminals, they are killing the human being, broke the steal money. Some they also according to the law of criminal, but not the same category. But name is that all criminals. And so judge giving the reason, some those who kill the animal, kill the human being, maybe 15 years he will stay in the jail. Those who broke the what is it called, law, the criminal, maybe 1 year, 5 years. Judge give the certain date. But all the criminals coming is staying in there. So according to their go out from the jail, in the same way, all we are here. All we are offenders, aparadhi. What is your offense?
Not serve to Krishna.
We did not serve to Krishna. This is our only aparadh. Understand? This is our aparadh. Or when the time is, certain time is coming, about to deliver from this material world, release from the jail, that time Maya Devi see, but Jogmaya she arranged how to get association of sadhu. So saying in this verse, what is saying? No. কোনো ভাগ্যে কোনো জীবের যদি সংসার ক্ষয়নমুখ হয়, সংসার দশা ক্ষয়নমুখ, and diminishing of our karma, and that time we will get the association of sadhu. So he said this verse. কোনো ভাগ্যে কোনো জীবে যদি সংসার ক্ষয়নমুখ হয়, ক্ষয়নমুখ understand not there?
Unmukh being averse to Krishna, Kai diminishing.
ক্ষয়নমুখ is diminishing to our karma. Then we will get the association of sadhu. কোনো ভাগ্যে কোনো জীবে যদি সংসার ক্ষয়নমুখ হয়, তবে সেই জীব সাধু সঙ্গ করে. Then we will get association of sadhu. Everybody will not do sadhu sangha. Why the other people not association of sadhu? Because their time not coming. So they don't want to associate with sadhu. These are things. Understand?
I understood what you spoke, but still I have maybe 2 more questions about to understand.
But there,
For example, one thing. If we're all the same criminals we are, we did not serve to Krishna, so we all have the same time to stay in the jail then? Is that logic or not? And also, if this, how this karma will be diminishing if we're always doing more and more karma? And also, if
No,
this has anything to do
bad
with
karma is good. If everybody not good, bad karma, everybody not good karma. If everybody not good, bad karma. If you good karma, good karma means a sattvic bhav. And a bad karma is coming from tamasic or rajasic bhav. When sattvic karma, that is leads towards the how to get association sadhu. We are doing karma in 3 ways. Do you understand? We are performing the karma in 3 ways. That is called with the Rajasic, Tamasic and Sattvic. Sattvic karma is what? That is Sattvic karma. Give the donation, charity, help the people. That is called Sattvic karma. When do Sattvic karma, then Mayadevsi arrange how to get the association sadhu. Are Sukriti will coming later. First is one Sattvic karma. Giving charity donation. Helping the people. In this way, maybe one sadhu accidentally coming. And if you go India, people they mostly when you go to the parikrama, Brajmal parikrama, people they also give donation to many people. Helping the people. Those who have no cloth give them. But one sadhu is coming. He is giving the donation to everybody. Have you seen or not? But one sadhu is coming. So that is called Bhakti Mukhi Sukriti coming. He is giving the charity to everybody, but accidentally one sadhu coming and he gave the donation to sadhu. That is called Bhakti Mukhi Sukriti. And other Sukriti is called Karunmukhi Sukriti. And giving the charity donation to mundane people, that is called Karunmukhi Sukriti. But giving the same charity donation you giving to sadhu, Shuddha Bhakta, that Bhakti Mukhi Sukriti coming. Do you understand or not? Brain working or not? Simple.
Difference between punya and bhakti.
You understand this? This is the thing. So one is called Karmamukhi Sukriti, another is called Bhakti Mukhi Sukriti coming. This is. So according to this Bhakti Mukhi Sukriti, then you get the association with sadhu. This thing. If you give the food for life, okay. Maybe one Shuddha Bhakta is coming, also give the food. Bhakti Mukhi Sukriti coming very quick. Giving the water many trees, accidentally Tulasi plants has come, you don't know the value of Tulasi. But giving the water, the Bhakti Mukhi Sukriti coming. In this way, when these types are coming. So in this material world, all we are doing karma, but different kinds of karma. And this karma is coming from our Maya 3 gunas. Sattvic karma, Rajasic karma, Tamasic karma. Tamasic karma, they are going to lower planets. Rajasic karma, they are wandering in this material world. Prithvi Lok. Sattvic karma, they are going to the upper planets. Sarga Lok in this way. And in this way, all we are this. So saying, Tamago no jabe, Sattago no pabe, Hoibe Krishna Rodasa. When our Satta and Rajaguna will be diminishing and will perform the Sattaguna, then we will slowly develop our bhajan and sadhana going this way. Sadhu Sangha and going. This is the process. Understand? So it is bhavapo vargo brahmoto jada bhavit janasakta harchuta he achuta. And in this way, conditioned soul, wandering in the cycle of routine, birth and death, and those who are very fortunate, and their karma about to diminishing, then you will get the association of sadhu. And then with the association of sadhu, very easy to deliver from this material world. This life you associate with sadhu, this is your last birth. Understand?
What is the symptom that we get really sadhu? What is the symptom?
What is the really? What is the?
Because have many devotees that stay with you, but they really have sadhusanga with you. What is the symptom that we really get sadhusanga?
If you really too thirsty, what is the symptom? If you really thirsty, trust, thirsty, you are thirsty. What will do? What will do?
Yes, I go.
I will search the water. What water do you want? Water dependent water. Mixed water, Mishra Jal. You are very in the summer time and your throat completely dry and choked. I give you me water. I give you water with lemon juice. You drink?
Yes, but
No.
not
You ask, give me fresh water, you would satisfied. Then I mix the water with some sugar. No. I give another different kinds of things. You will be tell no, you will give me only the fresh water. Cool water I will drink. That is called Visuddha Jal. 2 words. What is it? What do they mean?
Vishuddha completely pure jal or what?
Pure water. You don't want to drink that time, what you will be completely satisfied when you get the pure water, not mixed with anything. So in the same way, bhakti is also this way. Bhakti is many kinds of bhaktis. Here water means bhakti. Sadhu Sangha means is what? I want to get the Suddha Bhakti, not Mishra Bhakti. Do you understand? This is a symptom. I want Suddha Bhakti, pure devotional service to Lord. Anna, Vila, Sita, Sunna, Jnana, Karma, Dana, Pritam, Anukuleno, Krishnanusulam, Bhakti. Suddha Bhakti, I will drink. That is symptom. And we associate that kind of sadhu and listen Hari Katha. Do you understand? As like skylark. Skylark, one kind of small bird. They will never drink the water from the pond, not from the river. They are drinking the water only from the sky. And Rupa Goswami has written this verse. And Virachamai Dandam. Maybe I will die with the what is called light flashing, but only I will drink the water from the rain, cloud rain. You read this slokas in there, in the Purport of Manasiksha. Read Rupa Goswami has written. Manasiksha, I think which sloka? I think second or third verse. That the purport also is there.
Vaishnava Rupa Goswami.
Rupa Goswami sloka is there. Virachamai Dandam. Chato, that is Sanskrit word. They get Chatstvo Chatokeno. Chatok means skylark. Yeah. Is that? So that is called the Sadhu Sangha. Listen this. So this example has given in there. Rupa Goswami has written this verse.
If you get association of sadhu, this is your last but one time you say eu já me associei com vocês diversas vidas. Você não é a primeira vida que
Não sei.
você pode traduzir isso? E nessa não é a primeira vez que eu vejo vocês. Ele falou isso em São Paulo. Como funciona isso? É porque a pessoa ela não seguiu, não sei.
in São Paulo, so many times you already associated with each other. I know you many.
Huh?
You said in São Paulo, we've known each other from other lives. We've been associated from other lives many times. But so what's the meaning?
Because
Harish, desire is coming. One is simple desire and a strong desire to associate with sadhu, not same. Huh? Desire, association with desire, sadhu sangha, strong desire coming or not. You are thirsty. What kinds of thirsty are you? There are different gradation. Strong thirsty or less thirsty. That is one other things. That is only strong thirst will come. Eh? That time we drink the water, not mixed in other things. Or if you are less thirsty, okay, give this water some, this may lemon juice, these things. Huh? What is it called? Lemon juice. When you're strong, that is called utkantha. Strong utkantha. Utkantha means eagerness. Only drink the water. Eh? Utkantha. So bhakti is utkanthamai bhakti. Bhakti is different kinds of bhakti also. One is called, what did it say? Utkanthamai. Utkantha means strong eagerness. When your strong eagerness will come association sadhu, that is the last word. Huh? These are things.
Gurudev, I have a question for you. Do you know the name of our souls? Because
Huh?
do you know who we are, the name of our souls? Because we have been being together so many lives, so you know we very well, right?
Mane, what is your question? You question to me or what is your question?
I'm asking you if you know who we are.
Your name of the soul.
Yes.
Eh? Of course. Eh? Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
What do you want? You want to listen your soul's name. What do you want?
I wish, but I think I don't have Sukrit for that.
Listen to it. In our Bhakti, realm of Bhakti, Rupa Goswami Pada explained. If I tell you, you will be no faith, so I will not tell to you.
I believe you.
Eh?
I believe you.
Listen carefully. This is the difference Gaudiya Vaishnava and Sahajiyas. One thing I tell you and you realize. Eh? These things. Sahajiyas, that if you go, that direct you give your soul's name. Okay, you are that Manjari. Eh? What Manjari? Jilepi Manjari, Rasa Manjari, Jamuna Manjari, any name will give. And but our in this Rupa Goswami path, in Jiva Goswami path or Goswami will say no. Guru knows your spiritual name. This is true. Mane your Atma's name, Guru knows. But he will be tell when you come in the stage of your bhajan and sadhana. Adu, Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti and Bhavdasha. Otherwise he will not tell to you. If I tell you, would you misuse? You understand?
I do understand.
For this regard, our Shastra is saying, no. Eh? You have everything. Guru knows. Bona fide Guru knows everything yours. Eh? But he will not tell you because you are not mature. When you will mature, then he will tell to you, then your faith will come. That time you will be used everything. If I tell your name, what will do? Tell to me. No, I will tell you this name. Okay, your spiritual name, this. But what will do now? You misuse. Yes, for this, and if you misuse, then again offense of God. Do you understand this? For this, God Shastra saying this way. This is a stage by stage. It tell to you. And if everything I tell you cannot digest. Even Bible also saying this. Jesus also told his followers, I want to speak to you many things, but I think you cannot digest. You cannot understand. Understand? If I tell one day everything you cannot digest, you cannot understand. And one small infant baby, if I discuss about the mathematics, just he is reading A, B, C, D. He tell father, tell me more. Then father tell, okay, A plus B whole square. And A square minus B square. A minus B whole square. Then baby think, what is this? Mathematics. But when the same baby going to upper class, 6 or 7, 8 class, 9 class, and that time same teacher, same father saying, listen, A plus B whole square. That they giving the definition. And A plus B whole square. What is the A plus B whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Then he can understand. But when he's small boy, 2 years old, 3 years old, just he is writing A for apple, B for bee, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. And now you say, tell the A plus B whole square, can understand. And misused. And not, he cannot also do, not this side, not this side. Misuse.
Mas
the
um exemplo.
cows, the trees, the grass, who coloca saudável.
Huh?
The
Who?
cows are the cows, the trees, grass, tudo coloca saudável.
Cows, trees are jivas too.
You see that this is doing the Jogmaya. This is not our use. Everything Jogmaya she arranged.
Can I be a cow in Goloka Vrindavan? My Swarup be a cow? A Jiva Swarup in this world can be a cow also in Goloka Vrindavan?
Cows.
Yeah, Jiva lives in this material world. Maybe one Jiva, many Jivas also have this Swarup of cow.
Maybe. Why not? Some cows, some grass, some snake also. The snake is not ordinary snake. They all there. So Jat kinchit tunagulma kikata mukham gushte samastingat sarvananda mukunda devitang lila anukulam param shastri nasputamitam nastimtam jancha brahmadvi saspirna madhyam te abandate. This sloka is coming. They are not ordinary. Very, very their fortune. They become the form of grass, cow, snake. All they are helping. Mukunda dvaitang lilanukulam. They are Mukunda Dvaita, they are very near and dear to Mukunda. Lila Anukulam, they are always servicing to Krishna Lila. You can only you will become Manjari, you will become very happy, no. In the Goloka Vrindavan, they are transcendental form. All they are servicing to Govinda Seva. In this material world, snake we are thinking poisonous, very hateable. But in transcendental Goloka Vrindavan, that not look like this. You can understand how the snake served to Krishna. So saying, Jat kinchit tinagulmo kikoto mukong. Kikot means is what? Spider. And others also living entities. Just saying, Jat kinchit tinagulmo. Trina means?
Grass.
And trina means grass. Gulu means other, and what is called? Creepers. So Jat kinchit tinagulmo kikoto mukong goshte samasing tat. In the Goshta Golok Vrindavan, they are all there with Sachidanandamay body. Eh, if you go there, how they are servicing to Krishna. It has been written in Brihad Bhagavatamritam. When Gopkumar, he arrived in Golok Vrindavan, he became very surprised. How all the living entities, how they are so much mamata. Mamata in position is with Govinda. Everybody. Look like grass. Look like the same, look like this grass. But they are called Sachidananda Vikram. You cannot believe how they are love and affection with Krishna. Not this grass, but look like this. Understand? Look like this grass, but not like this. That body, this grass is what? Material body. Panchatattva, 5 elements is there. And that body, that is called Sachidananda Tona. They are how kinds of their love and affection with Govinda. They are all their conscious being, Chetan. So here, Jat Kinchit Tinakulma Kikata Mukham Goshti Samastin Tat Sarvananda Mukunda Ditam Sarva Ananda. Complete their all is one. Heart is full of bliss, Ananda. We cannot explain what is the Ananda. In this material, yesterday I told, just I explained of the happiness. 1 hour I give example the happiness. And there are many kinds of happiness in this material world. But Rupa Goswami Pad explained that all kinds of happiness and to what is it called?
Cover.
And 3 types of happiness. Yeah. What is called happiness?
Nidra.
Jadananda, material happiness. This material. First, this is called material happiness, Jadananda. What is the Jadananda? Material happiness. Different people, they want to material kinds of happiness. Some that is called Bhojanananda, to enjoying, to eating different kinds of delicious food, as like Kumbhakarna. No, that is called Shanananda. Shanan, some people they want to sleep. As like I gave example, Kumbhakarna. 6 months continuously sleeping. One day wake up, eating, then next day sleep until 6 months. 180 days sleeping. And again wake up and eating, one day eating, whole day eating. Then next day again sleeping until 6 months. Sanananda. Some people they Bhajanananda. Different people also there. Different kinds of they getting the happiness. So that is called, all these called, first category that is called Jadananda. Jadananda, understand? And enjoying the material sense gratification, Jadananda. A third category is of, a second category is of happiness, what is called? Brahmananda. People, their studies, Ved, Upanishad, Jnana, knowledge, they want to merge in Brahmananda. Yesterday I told, 1 hour, discussing this. A third type of Ananda, that is called, what is Ananda? Krishna, Krishnananda, Premananda. Understand? This is what discuss this thing. Krishna consciousness discourses about Premananda. Premananda, Rasananda. Looking this. Understand this? So in this transcendental world, grass, trees, snake, spider, all they are absorbed into serve to Krishna, Govinda Seva. Anandamaya Seva, Pramananda Dham. So in Jatkinchit Tinagulma Kikata Mukam, Goshti Samdhita, Sarvananda Mukunda Deitam Lilanukulam Parama. Sarva Anandamaya Dham there. All they are servicing. Only 24 hours, they have so much love and affection with Govinda.
Which mood of them?
Eh?
Which mood of them?
A different mood. Santo, Daso, Sakho, Vatsalya, Madhurya, according to their.
The grass too.
Eh?
Grass.
Grass,
About
Santo mood.
What mood?
In Vrindavan, actually, no Santo mood. All their mood mixed with Madhurya, sweetness mood. Look like Santo, but at their mood, Vrindavan, actually, no and pure Santo. Only Vaikuntha, pure Santo. Or Vrindavan, their Santo is what mixed with Madhurya. Madhurya. But Santo, but Madhurya.
This Madhurya means sweetness, not a conjugal.
Huh?
This Madhurya, two meanings, no? Sometimes only conjugal mood and sometimes
Santoras, Santoras is there. But Santoras mixed with Madhurya means sweetness. He is so much mamata. Mamata is coming different in soul. Mother's mamata, difference. Father's mamata, difference. Understand? Mamata and position. Wife mamata, difference. Beloved, lover, beloved mamata, difference. Mamata is there. So in the trees of what is called? The grass of Vrindavan, not ordinary grass. So much mamata was Govinda. The trees, sometimes giving the example. The trees, how they are mamata with Govinda. Do you understand? How they have love and affection with Mama. So much serviceal mode. When Krishna comes in Vrindavan, automatically they also are making very nice, beautiful umbrella over the head of Govinda. With their branches. Seva coming. They are thinking Govinda is our pan, heart and soul. They think. How to serve. Hey, listen. And trees offering flowers. And the lotus feet of Govinda, they are making very nice, beautiful, soft blanket. They are thinking how possible Govinda will walk on the path of Vrindavan. So for this, they are with the petals, flowers, they are making very nice, beautiful carpet, soft carpet. Then you can walk. Understand? Mostly the coldest country, if you go, and all their floors are full of the very soft carpet. If you press your feet, and maybe 1-2 inch going down. Here I saw England and America. Their carpet is very soft. Richest person. Their carpet is a very expensive carpet. And even the toilet also. You cannot believe they are there. So in the same way when Krishna comes in Vrindavan, the trees make the very nice, beautiful, soft carpet with their petals. Because they are mamata with Govinda. Day and night thinking how to serve to Govinda. Sweet fragrance, flowers blossom. They are dancing, singing. These things.
Flowers. Flowers.
Everything. Because Chetan. They are Chetan Dharma. You cannot believe.
Wow.
You cannot imagine your material brain. How they express their sentence. Flowers, the flowers, they are laughing or not? Even the material flowers, they are laughing. You're not listening their sound, but they're laughing. How they're smiling. Teeth is automatically coming out. Love means coming, you can see how beautiful this love. Love is this, they think. So saying Jatkinji, that is called. And trees, how they are love and affection with Govinda. They embracing to Krishna also, with their lengthy hands. How they lend the hands? With their branches. And shedding tears. And I sing this thing. Bhutsana Chakravarti, how they are love and affection with Govinda. They don't want to take out from their arms. Hey Govinda, Pran Priyatam. So trees are not ordinary trees. Look like trees, actually they are all Sachidananda Tanu. Transcendental they are called.
Tirando Tanu. What?
Tanu Badi. Sachidananda. Govinda said. There is a love and affection. 1 second they can't to also separate from Krishna, they can't to tolerate separation from Govinda. Understand? Srimati Radhika says this. Achara bhariya jadi manika pai tabu ham piyare duro dese na pathai sitero odani piya sitero odani piya barisar giri ba. My beloved Govinda is as like the blanket of winter season. When summertime, you are not looking where your blanket. Or when winter season coming, that time looking where the blanket. This is nature. In our India, only 2 months winter season. At 12 months, most of the words warm, not cold. So at that time, all the winter cloth put in the basket, and cloth. Or when winter coming, December, January coming, they say, Mom. Or when January, February finish, then again. So that means is what? 10 months we can completely forget our blankets, coat. Or when winter season coming and complete. And so Srimati Radhika she is saying, my plant Govinda is as like Sitero Odini Piya. Girisher Ba. At the summer time, you want with a very nice, beautiful, cool air. Just you like the AC. Or sitting on the bank of the river, very nice, beautiful and cool air coming, and in the same way, Srimati Radhika saying, after long separation, when she meets with her beloved Govinda, this type of feeling. So saying these words.
Which preparation she likes very much? Srimati Radhika. Which preparation?
Srimati Radhika she likes.
Very much, yes.
Srimati Radhika likes or Krishna likes? What your question?
Which preparation Srimati Radhika likes to very much?
No, who likes? My question is coming. Krishna likes or Srimati Radhika likes?
Radha likes.
You understand?
Yeah.
What did I say?
Ele perguntou, mas ela sempre cozinha pra Krishna. Tá falando que aquela gosta de que Krishna gosta de comer, ou o Chamanense, qual que ela prefere?
No, which preparation Radhika likes to eat? She likes for her.
She likes to eat.
Yeah.
Yes, which preparation
Yes.
Srimati Radhika likes very much to eat. To Manjaris do something for her.
No.
Only for her. Manjaris do something only for her.
Your question is, Manjari, everything is doing for Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. They don't do something for Radha only. Never. All their services, because Krishna is the supreme enjoyer. This is the conclusion.
Okay.
Krishna is the supreme enjoyer. Even Srimati Radhika in his heart never coming, say, I will do this. I will do this. All her exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Bhakti is what? Only Krishna. Because Krishna is the supreme enjoyer. Manjari serve to Krishna, this is true, but under guidance of Srimati Radhika. They are not in the coming. Oh, Radha likes this. I cook for Radha. There is nothing in this way. This the bhakti is not This is not the bhakti. Bhakti thing, what Srimati Radhika she likes for Krishna, they are doing that things. Because only one supreme enjoyer, Krishna. And this is the things. Understand? And Srimati Radhika see that prasad, that Krishna remnants, then Srimati Radhika takes. You cannot say, the Manjari she only for cooks for Radhika. This is not. They are cooking everything under guidance of Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika she knows what is the best things for Krishna. So Srimati Radhika she gives instruction to the Manjari. Okay, you cook this. Manjari cannot do. They have no this or do this thing. They serve everything for Krishna Seva. But how the Krishna Seva? Under guidance of Srimati Radhika. They have no Svatanta service to Krishna. Svatanta service, understand? They cannot serve to Krishna independence. They serve to Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. This is the conclusion.
So, Srila Gurudev, not everybody in the line of Rupa Goswami will become a Manjari.
What is it? Rupa Manjari?
Not everybody in the line of Rupa Goswami will become a Manjari.
I don't understanding your what you want to speak.
Because Ragaleka Didi asked if she can be a dress, a cow, and everything. And I'm asking if everybody that comes in this world and in the line of Rupa Goswami,
There is no necessary.
not necessarily become a Manjari.
Gurudev, eu told once in Bhagavad that past time in Ramachandra, when monks were building the bridge for Sri Lanka, once Ramachandra think, oh, what if I write my name in a stone and throw if it floats or not? And it throw the stone and it sink. And the monk said, hey, it's because you're throwing the stone. So in Vrindavan, when Krishna threw the stone to broke the gopis, the stone felt the same too.
But another pastime. This pastime is not related to this pastime. Ramchandra's pastimes, Krishna's pastimes is another thing.
Different.
This is pastimes is different. There is the Ramchandra is building the bridge over the ocean with the monkeys. There is another pastime. Or here Krishna, he throw the stone with the what is called Jugat pot. This is another pastime.
Because the stone didn't float when Ramachandra.
So that another lila.
Another
This lila is another. You cannot mix this lila, Ram lila and Krishna lila. This is another lila. Another teaching, another lila.
Eu gostaria de uma instrução, por favor. Existem duas formas de servir o Guru: o serviço direto e o serviço indireto.
What do you say?
E muitas
Say in
vezes,
Portuguese.
Portuguese. Okay, I think English.
certa vez, o senhor falou durante o Rikatá que nós não temos qualificação suficiente em servi-lo diretamente, inclusive cozinhar, né? E que o senhor desse a oportunidade para cozinhar, para termos samba, para termos um desenvolvimento comunista no nosso desenvolvimento. Então, nós temos instrução, porque essa é a minha língua. Então, ontem, quando estávamos vindo, a Tiri estava dirigindo, então eu falei porque eu vi uma situação de risco.
What are you saying?
Eu falei para ela dirigir mais devagar, pedi para ela dirigir mais devagar para não machucar o senhor. E ela, eu acho que não gostou muito, porque eu referi o servo dela. E outra vez estava vindo um caminhão muito forte, descendo ladeira. Eu pedi para ela também diminuir a velocidade, interferir no servo dela. Então eu gostaria de saber o que eu devo fazer nessa hora, porque às vezes tem situações se eu deveria não ser muito espiritual meu. É melhor, talvez, na minha percepção, não ser figura.
Mas traduzir com isso também, porque parece que ele está meio descolado do resto.
Não sei,
Tá
não
descolado?
precisa.
Hã? Não precisa? No, she's saying that once you said that we are not qualified to serve Guru. We're not qualified to serve Guru directly, like a Bapu Seva. And Guru gives mercy to us, for example, to cook for him and all, so that we can develop some sambandha, some relationship with him. And she said this. And then she said that sometimes she cannot hold her tongue. And if she sees another god sister, god brother doing some service to you, and she thinks that's not completely proper way, she interferes and speaks. For example, the other day she was in the same car as you, and she saw the lady, the devotee was driving. No, please speed and reduce your speed because of the truck. And she's asking if when you see some god brother, god sister doing some service, and you think, not you, one thinks that maybe not proper should do this or that, we should speak or we should interfere or not. Please?
No seu do outro devoto.
Tá certo, tá certo.
Tá certo, tá certo.
Não, não precisa.
É isso, é
Tá
isso.
certo que você traduziu.
Tá.
Pode.
Yes, according your mamata you can speak. Why not? He will give to advise you to serve this way. Understand? Because everybody's mamata towards Guru and Krishna, Guru and Vishnu not same. Understand? Mamata understand it, only this word mamata. So according to mamata you can speak. This is not your fault, okay? This is a karma. Everybody serve Guru and Vishnu according to their own mamata, according to their own sambandha gyan also. Servitual could come in different ways. Sambandha gyan, mamata, this is coming. Seva Vritti is coming. This is the thing. We will serve, how to serve, this is very, mamata is different. In this material world, mother's mamata, mother's love and affection with her baby, father's love and affection with her baby, not same also. And baby, what is called? Another is called?
Stepmother.
No, stepmother, not. Mother's
Foster
sister.
parents. Okay.
And not same. But mamata is there. All your relatives and in your family is there mamata with you, but different way. But mother's mamata is, that is called the unique, unparalleled. You cannot to compare to others also. Because this is the nature. You cannot say why not others. Look this thing. Mother's mamata towards her baby, that is called incomparable to others. Everybody say, I have mamata with this baby because this baby belongs to in our family. Mamata is there, everybody's. Servicing the baby. But mother's mamata is your unique. Even not father's mamata, same also. Mother's mamata is another. So in this way, you can also serve Guru and Vishnu according to your mamata. Everybody is servicing Guru, Krishna, Vishnu according to their own mamata. According to the relationship also. This is the another thing. Understand? Everything depends on your, what is your? Mamata. possesses.
Mas às vezes eu interfiro e a pessoa às vezes pode não gostar e eu posso estar ofendendo o outro devoto que está servindo do jeito dele. É isso, se eu devo interferir, falar alguma coisa, se eu vejo uma situação de risco, ou eu devo ficar calada. É isso, controlar a língua, é isso. Não sei.
Sometimes the other devotee who listen her suggestion may not like what she's saying, may not like and her complaints or suggestion, and this would be an offense to this other devotee, this god brother, god sister, and then she would try to then.
I understand. This is not the offense is not coming. Offense is according they are according to their mamata, they are servicing. This is not offense. Eh? What is the offense? Offense is what? The opposite of bhakti, that is called offense. Huh? Offense is not everywhere. When offense is means is what? When opposed of bhakti, that is called offense. Offense is not. And this and the things. Everybody servicing their own. And when offense coming, that is serviceable mood not coming. The offense means is what? No serviceable mood coming. That is called offense. We are saying aparad. Try to know what is the meaning of aparad. Do you understand? First you chant, learn the meaning of aparad. What do you mean aparad? Apogato radha jasmati rapa. Rad means priti, love and affection, serviceable mood. Apa means has gone away. If you have no love and affection, no serviceable mood, and with Guru and Krishna, that is called aparad. No serviceable mood. You have no taste to chanting holy names. That means aparad. That means you have love and affection. If you have love and affection, holy names, you chant holy names. That is called Nam Aparadha. Rad means is what? Love and affection. Rad dhatu, Rad means tendency to serve. So this is Radhika, Radhika. Radha, this word actually coming from Rad dhatu, verbal root. Rad means seva, serviceable mode. Radha means love. Radha means mamata. Many things are coming, synonym. So Srimati Radhika is the embodiment of seva. Seva Murta Vigraha. Krishna Seva Murta Vigraha Srimati Radhika. In the same way we are saying Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada. What is the meaning of Guru? Krishna Seva Murta Vigraha is Guru. Guru Padma is the embodiment of serviceable mood of Krishna or Srimati Radhika. Seva Vigraha. This serviceable different Nam Seva. You are chanting holy names. What are you doing? Nam Seva. Seva is this. You are honoring Prasad. Prasad Sevan. Don't eat Prasad. What is it called? Prasad Sevan. Everything is Seva. In our Vaishnava word, very minute and every significance word. Understand? I am chanting holy names. That means I am servicing to holy name, Nam Seva. Prasad Seva. Grantha Seva. I am writing Grantha. By reading Grantha. All our Vaishnava use this word, service, Seva. Seva means to give pleasure to my Istadeva. That is called Radha. Radha means this way. Seva Vritti. So Srimati Radhika is the embodiment of divine love. Premamaya Murti. And for example, saying love means is what? Serviceable mood will come. I love my Guru. That means I serve my Guru. With my body, mind or speech, anyhow. There is no necessary to serve the Guru is physical. You can serve your Guru with your mind. You can serve your Guru with your body or with your speech. This is the thing. Serviceable mode different way. With your body, mind, speech, serve to Guru and Krishna. Anyway, you have to serve. Serve means it's love. That Radha, Srimati Radhika, she angry with Krishna. Madhava, Madhava Jahi. Hey Madhav, get out here. I don't want to serve. This is also Krishna Seva. We are looking, she is very angry with Krishna. But no, she is servicing to Krishna. And that is one kind of prema seva. Prema seva, that is. That is the best service. And we cannot do this. But Srimati Radhika, this is her best service. Madhupakya to Ketova Bandhu Mahapisrangi. Stupid nonsense. Blackbee, you are the friend of big cheater. Why you again come here? I know your friend. You are blackish and your friend also same blackish. Madhubo Kitapa Bandhu Mahapisrangi. Don't touch my feet. Sometimes you Madhubo Kitapa. Achha, this is best service or not? Rukmini is cooking very nice, delicious prasad and feeding to Krishna. Are here in Braj, same time in Dwarakapuri. Rukmini, she cooks very nice, very delicious prasad, giving to Krishna. Krishna is eating. Are here in Braj, Srimati Radhika, what she is saying? Same time. Madhubo Kitabo Bandhu Mahapisrangi. Whose service is the best service? How possible? Krishna, Srimati Radhika did not cook anything. She is using harsh words, stupid nonsense, rascal. Using this. But this is the best service, Srimati Radhika. You may not understand, but this is according to the Ras Vichar. This is the highest service of Srimati Radhika when she did man angry. We cannot understand what kinds of service. Subala Sakai Mupattam. These are many words. Our Goswamis in these ways. And Krishna very happy. Krishna is not happy in Dwarakapuri with the many kinds of delicious prasad. But Krishna is very happy where? When Srimati Radhika she used many harsh words. Look at this. This is called this service. We cannot do this. According our Baddha Dasa, we cannot use this one. But in Golok Vrindavan, Srimati Radhika, this type of service. You cannot imagine. Jagannath Puri, they are preparation, many kinds of preparation. But Krishna is not happy in there. Or Krishna in where is happy when Srimati Radhika she used harsh words. Priya jadi man kari kare vatsan vedastuti hoite mor hari man man. Krishna himself said. And when my gopis, especially Srimati Radhika, when she used many harsh words, I am very happy. Priti, love. That kinds of love, what kinds of love in there? We will speak that kinds of love, automatically mundane conception will come. We cannot digest. And many questions will come. How? You cannot understand. Now you are infant baby. How to understand? This is true also. Even not reading Upadesamrita, Monosiksha, and not reading Bhakti Rasamrita, Ujjwal and Mani, nothing. How possible to understand? Just listen again and again. Listen. I know you can understand. Take time. Learn. Just listen. You give your ears, not to give anything. Ears means ear. Listen Hari Katha. Just to give your ears. Ears understand? That means listen Hari Katha. Sadguru, Satsishya. This is the same terms. How to listen Hari Katha. your regardless will come. How to listen Harikatha. In this material, what is the Durvikha? Durvikha means? What is the English term? What is when there is no rain, no food?
Shortage.
Ah, yes.
What the English term? Durvikha means no rains, no food.
Seca.
I think it's shortage, like
Dry.
shortage.
Sure.
What you don't have, so what you don't have. Like this.
Don't have anything. What is it?
Nunca tempo seco.
There is Sanskrit word Durvikha means no rains, no food, completely dry, everybody feeling. Listen, Harikatha. Everybody feeling is what? Hungry. I got the food. So in this material world, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada told, what is our Durvikha? Harikatha, lack of Harikatha. People, they don't want to listen Harikatha. And very few persons, they want to speak also Harikatha. This is also another thing. Durvikha. Go to internet, the English word, what is the meaning of Durvikha?
Shortage, I think it has.
Shortage.
Yeah. No.
Scarcity. Scarcity. This word. What is the scarcity in this material world? Lack of Harikatha. Understand? Harikatha obhav. All were scarcity. Who will give Harikatha? Understand? This thing. Harikatha Durvikha is going on this. This thing. So he is saying this. One who speaks Harikatha, he is the best donor. Tava katham mritam tapta jivanam kavi viriritam kalmasapam sravana mangalam srimadadatam bhuvi grindanti te bhuvi raja. Okay, now 9 o'clock. Wait.
Conte me pastime de Srimad Radhika transforma-se em peacock.
What is
Just
saying?
know that Lila when Srimati Radhika and Krishna, they are like peacock, like in Varshana, the Harikatha.
But I told in the Barsana, there is a when to Barsana, Mangad Katha. Morikuti and Mangad.
Yeah, you could please tell this Lila.
Okay, tomorrow. Now